Hi guys, this is Leah. Current price action on the GBP. We are below our support line on the dailies, and so I'm projecting a couple of target profits on the downside now, and one of them is 61 and 3/4. 61 and 3/4. Let's look at it on the daily chart. Well, first of all, we are obviously after the last fall, such a tremendous fall. We are now below moving average 62, and anything, as far as the price action, anything up until we start closing back above moving average 62 at 63 and 3/4, and especially reclaiming the 64 territory, is going to be considered a retracement of the last fall. So my intraday even positions, I am going to start them if I have intraday scalps or momentum trades. I'm going to treat them as a retracement of the last fall unless I clear through 64 and 3/4. Okay, so far I am ready to sell it to 61 and 3/4. So let's look at this here. This is a daily chart, the cable, that basically is sideways. Since euro has been in an uptrend, but cable has been much more vulnerable, we are sideways. And I put down 50% at 62, right? 62. So even from now, we're at 62 and 75. Even if we come back to 62, that's about 75 pips. That's huge. So let's look at 62 level first. The next one comes in at 60 and 3/4. 60 and 3/4. Two spikes high, resistance here before market broke down. Printing 60.80 here, but really, you know, speculative markets and whatnot, that would be 60 and 3/4. So that's where I expect, should the market blow right through 62, right, that's where I expect the market to come in. On the intraday, we do have a lot of support at 61 and 3/4. 61 and 3/4. So the intraday chart plus the daily chart should really help you identify, as long as we now stay below 38.2 of the last move up, which is at 63. Okay, so we have a great probability of getting back down to 62 first. If the market is going to bounce out of 62, we will project. We will make a projection, which we'll do tomorrow in New York. If we're going to lose 62, 60 and 3/4 becomes viable. And for now, again, a ton of support at 61 and 3/4. Preceded by 62 psychological level. So even here, you have about 70 pips to write. 15 pips at a time, guys. 15 pips at a time. Take your 20, bank your money. 15 after the spread. I will see you tomorrow in New York.